kinds of festivals that we are studying in this chapter?
Republic Day.
It is not Republic Day. It is called. नहीं, I am asking बेटा. Listen, Anika, मैं क्या पूछ रही हूँ? You are not understanding what I am saying. I am saying that how many kinds of festivals are there? कौन-कौन से 3 festivals we had studied in this chapter?
कौन-कौन सी पढ़ाई पूछ रही है?
3 festivals we have studied. Now, which 3 festivals we have studied?
बुक में देख रही ऐसे बताओ. मैम ने पढ़ाया था ना रिलीजियस.
बेटा, I told you that I will be taking revision test of chapter 6. Nanika, you have not studied.
पहले खेल तो ले.
Beta, I will take the written test also after this. Okay? Okay, Anika, mute yourself. Let somebody else. Okay, I will ask anyone. Paridi Gaur, unmute yourself. Paridi Gaur has gone. Oh, okay. Vansh Pratap Singh. Vansh, you have to unmute yourself, Vansh. You have to unmute yourself. Beta, those who are sitting, you're just sitting like that. All of you have not revised the chapter. Avni Agarwal. Yes, Avni Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Avni, which 3 kinds of festival we are studying in this chapter? Yes, Avni, which 3 kinds of festival we are studying in this chapter? बेटा कौन-कौन से 3 kinds festivals we are studying in this chapter? इस chapter में कौन-कौन से 3 kinds we are studying? Avni, your voice is not coming. Yes, Avni. Yes, Avni, your voice is, now it is coming. Yes. What 3 kinds we are studying in this chapter, Avni? नहीं पढ़ा, नहीं, not studied, na? Many of you have not studied. Okay, Honey Garg, unmute yourself. Honey Garg.
Yes, ma'am.
What 3 kinds of festival we are studying in this chapter?
Ma'am, Dashera.
No, I am talking about kinds of festival. Kinds, types. कौन से 3 types के festival we are studying in this chapter?
Types. Kinds of festival.
Kinds of festival, beta. Which 3 kinds of festival we are studying in this chapter? Okay, all of you have not studied. No, wrong. Now mute yourself. I will tell you the answer of this. Okay, 3 kinds of festival were religious festival. First one was religious festival. Second was harvest festival. And third was national festival. Which 3 kinds we are studying in this chapter? Religious festival, harvest festival, and third is national festival. Now have you understood, all of you? Okay, who will tell me the answer again? Divyansh Gupta, unmute yourself. Divyansh Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
What 3 kinds of festival we are studying in this chapter? Just now I told you.
Festival, national festival.
3 festivals name, 3 kinds of festival I told you. अभी बताए थे मैंने. What were they?
Festival.
Regional festival, yes. Second one,
Harvest festival.
harvest festival. And the third one is
Teacher festival.
national festival. Okay. So what are three? Regional festival, harvest festival, and national festival. Got it, Divyansh?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself. Okay. Acha, what all things come in harvest festival? Which festivals come in harvest festival? Who will tell me the answer of this? Which festivals come in harvest festival? Okay, Gauri Chauhan. Unmute yourself, Gauri. Gauri, which all festivals come in harvest festival? Which festivals come in harvest festival? कौन-कौन से festivals आते हैं harvest festival में? Yes, Gauri, your voice is not coming. Gauri,
Festival of color.
beta, bring your that mic in near your mouth.
Ma'am,
In harvest festival, which all festivals come?
Festival of colors.
नहीं बेटा, what I am saying, मैं क्या पूछ रही हूँ आपसे? I am asking in harvest festival, which all festivals come? What all festivals are there in harvest? You can go through the book, beta. It is written, everything is written in the book.
Ma'am, I have a book.
हाँ, so open the page number 38. Open page number 38. Heading is given harvest festivals. Which all festivals are there? Now you tell me the name of the festival are also written in there.
Ma'am, in green color.
Yes, that is the name of the festival only.
Holi.
Yes, Holi.
Oh yeah.
You can say the spelling.
Pongal.
G-A-L. It is Pongal. P-O-N-G-A-L. Pongal. P-O-N Pong. G-A-L. Gal. Pongal. Okay, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Now third one.
And ma'am, third one is Baisakhi.
Baisakhi. B-A-I. Ba. ऐसे सा.
Sakhi.
K-H-I-T. Baisakhi. Got it, Gauri? What three festivals we are
Yes,
studying is there in harvest festival? Holi, Pongal, and Baisakhi. Got it, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, this you all things you have to learn. I will take the test in written also. Okay. Now mute yourself.
Yes.
Now, who will tell me the national festivals? Okay, Kratika. Kratika, unmute yourself. Kratika. Kratika Kushwa. Yes, Kratika.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you have to tell me the names which all festivals fall in national festival.
Diwali.
No?
Diwali.
What are the no? Diwali is not a national festival, beta. National festivals. I am talking about national festivals. Just see. Yes, Independence Day. I-N-N-D-E-D Pen D-E-N-C-E. Independence Day. It is called Independence Day. Yes, Kratika.
Independence Day.
Independence Day. Second one.
Republic Day.
Republic Day. Yes, correct. And the third one? Kratika, third one is? Kratika, your voice is not coming, beta. Okay, I'm muting you. Okay, who will tell me third one? Okay, Savya Mittal. Savya Mittal, unmute yourself, Savya.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ beta, what is the third one? National festivals. Two festivals are told, Independence Day and Republic Day. Which is the third one? Two festivals are being told. National festival, that Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, correct. So what is the correct answer of this? Gandhi Jayanti. Now can you tell me all the three national festivals, Savya? All the three.
Independence Day,
Yes, Independence Day,
Republic Day,
Republic Day. Very good.
Gandhi Jayanti.
Okay, Gandhi Jayanti. Very good. Now mute yourself. Now who will tell me when does Gandhi Jayanti fall? On which date is Gandhi Jayanti? On which date is Gandhi Jayanti? Okay, Yatharth, unmute yourself. Gandhi Jayanti is on which date?
2 October.
2 October. You call it, you don't say 2 October. हम क्या बोलते हैं? We say 2nd October. What we say?
2nd October.
2nd October. Okay, now mute yourself. Okay, now who will tell me when is 26 January? 26 January is celebrated as which day? 26 January is celebrated as which day? Who will tell me? 26 January is celebrated as which day? Laksh. Laksh, unmute yourself. Yes, Laksh. 26 January is celebrated as which day? Laksh. Beta, you have to unmute yourself. You have unmuted and then again you have muted, beta. Yes, 26 January is celebrated as which day? कौन से डे के हिसाब से सेलिब्रेट होता है? Which day you call as 26 January?
Gandhi Jayanti.
26 January, beta, 26 January is celebrated as? I'm talking about 26 January, beta. 26 January. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, Honey Garg, unmute yourself. Honey Garg. Honey Garg. Honey Garg, you have to unmute yourself. Honey Garg. Honey Garg. Honey Garg, are you listening to me or not? Okay, Mohit Kumar. Mohit
Yes,
Kumar.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
26 January is celebrated
Yes,
as which
ma'am.
day?
Independence Day.
No, 26 January. I am talking about 26 January. 26
Republic
January.
Day.
Yes, very good. Republic Day. It is celebrated as Republic Day. Very
Day.
good. Okay, now who will tell me? 2nd October is celebrated as which day? 2nd October is celebrated as which day? Manvi, 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 unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta Manvi, 2nd October is celebrated as which day? Can you tell me?
Gandhi Jayanti.
Yes, very good. Yes, ma'am. All of you, mute yourself, beta. All of you do the clapping for Manvi. Just do the clapping for Manvi. Okay. Okay, who will tell me boat race is held on which occasion? In which festival? When is boat race? Boat race जो होती है ना, is held in which occasion? Which festival? Okay, I will ask you. Utkarsh Gupta. Utkarsh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Utkarsh. Yes, beta, boat race is held in which festival? Boat race. Boat race is held in which festival? बोट रेस किस फेस्टिवल में होती है?
मैम केरला.
केरला. आई एम आस्किंग. यस, इट इज करेक्ट. केरला में होती है, बट विच फेस्टिवल? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द फेस्टिवल? You can say the spelling. You can say the spelling.
Harvest Festival.
Yes, Harvest Festival. Again, it is correct. I want the name of that festival. Better, it is Onam. In which festival we celebrate the boat race? We celebrating Onam. Got it, Utkarsh?
Ona.
Onam. O-Nam. O and N-A-M. Nam. Onam. Got it?
Onam.
Yes, got it. Now mute yourself. Okay, who will tell me Baisakhi is celebrated in which state? Baisakhi is celebrated in which state? Aryan Verma. Aryan Verma. Baisakhi is celebrated in which day? Which state? Yes, Aryan. Baisakhi is celebrated in which state? Baisakhi. Baisakhi is celebrated in which state?
Hindu.
No, I am talking about state. Beta, name of the state. Baisakhi is the festival of which state? कहाँ का festival है Baisakhi? Baisakhi is the festival of which state? कहाँ पर मनाई जाती है बैसाखी? Yes, Aryan. Punjabi celebrate, but which state? Punjabi celebrate. I know that Punjabi celebrate.
Punjab.
In which? Punjab. Now you got it. Okay, Baisakhi is celebrated in Punjab. Where Baisakhi is celebrated? It is celebrated in Punjab. Got it, Aryan?
Punjab.
Yes. Okay. Now mute yourself. Now tell me. Acha, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in which state? Okay, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in which state? Himanshi. Himanshi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in which state? Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in which state? Where is Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated?
Ma'am,
Ganesh
Maharashtra.
Chaturthi. Yes, Maharashtra. It is called Maharashtra. What it is called, Himanshi?
Maharashtra.
Yes, very good. Mute yourself. Now, अच्छा, when is Christmas tree celebrated? Who will tell me when is Christmas tree celebrated? Calibrated. When is Christmas tree decorated? Who will tell me? Agrim Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, when is Christmas tree decorated? When we decorate
Christmas.
in Christmas. Very good. Christmas tree is decorated in Christmas. Very good. Very good. Mute yourself now. Acha. Acha, who will tell me ki why do we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi? Why do we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi? Okay, Paridhi Gaur. Why do we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi? Paridhi, unmute yourself. Paridhi Gaur, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Paridhi, yes, Paridhi. Why is, yes, what Ganesh? Why is Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated? Why is Ganesh Chaturthi? Because it is the birthday of Lord Ganesha. Yes. So what will be the correct answer? How you will say? Because on that day, Lord Ganesha was born, or you can say that it is the birthday of Lord Ganesha. Got it, Paridhi? Yes, Paridhi, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now who will tell me, mute yourself. Okay, who will tell me when did our country became free from the British rule? When did our country became free from the British rule? Divyansh. Okay, not Divyansh. Okay. Vaibhav Sharma. Vaibhav Sharma, unmute yourself. When did our country became free from the when did our country became free from the British rule? Which year? Which year our country became free from British rule? Can you tell me the year? Beta, your voice is... No. I'm asking year. On which year did our country got? Yes, 1947. Okay. Yes, very good. Mute yourself now, Vaibhav. Yes, Vaibhav, mute yourself now. Okay. Now, many of you have not studied properly. Acha, what is the other name for Dashera? Who will tell me what is the other name for Dashera? Adya Agarwal. Adya, unmute yourself. Adya Agarwal. Adya Agarwal, unmute yourself. Adya Agarwal. Okay, Ashi Garg. Adya, I think voice is not going. Ashi Garg. Ashi Garg, what is the other name for Dashera?
Ma'am, Vijayadashmi.
Vijayadashmi, very good. Just give a clapping for Vijay, Ashi, all of you. Now, on what do we prepare on Eid? A sweet dish is prepared in Eid, na? So I just want to know which sweet dish is prepared in Eid. Ye Tiyushi Sharma, unmute yourself. Tiyuji Sharma, second A, unmute yourself. Tiyuji Sharma.
मैम हमारा नेम बदल गया, हमारा नाम अग्रिम है.
So beta, your name, do the correction in that. Your name is showing Tiyuji. correction.
Okay, ma'am.
Do the correction, okay? Acha, tell me which sweet dish is prepared in Eid. Name of the sweet dish. Do you know that name of that sweet dish? Yes. Beta, Muslims prepare one sweet dish, na? On Eid. So, what can you tell me the name of that sweet dish?
Okay.
Okay, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. I will tell you. Okay, some other children will tell. Okay, let's see. Manvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manvi, Muslims prepare one sweet dish. Can you tell me that sweet dish? Name of that sweet dish?
Yes, ma'am.
What it is? Muslims prepare one sweet dish, na? Can you tell me that name of that sweet dish?
Ma'am, I don't.
You don't know? Okay, mute yourself. Okay, who will tell? Many of you are raising. Yes, Vansh Pratap Singh. Unmute yourself, Vansh Pratap Singh. Yes, Vansh Pratap Singh.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, we prepare one sweet dish. Muslims prepare one sweet dish. Can you tell me the name of that sweet dish? Vansh, name of that sweet dish that Muslims prepare in Eid. Muslims prepare one sweet dish na, on Eid. What is that name of that sweet dish?
Beans.
I think your mother is saying or someone is saying from the backside. It is sevaiya.
Beans.
Okay. What? It is sevaiya. It is sevaiya, not other. Okay. Beta, many of you have not prepared the chapter properly. Okay, mute yourself now. Now, when do we make Rangoli? In which festival we make Rangoli? Who will tell me? This is very easy. Rajesh Shivani. Rajesh Shivani, unmute yourself. Rajesh Shivani. Rajesh Shivani. Yes, Rajesh Shivani. When do we make a colorful pattern? What do we call a colorful pattern? Rangoli. When is Rangoli prepared? In which festival is Rangoli prepared? When is Rangoli made? Beta, your voice is not coming clear. When is Rangoli made? Which festival? Diwali. Beta, you are speaking very from far. Your voice is not clear. It is celebrated on Diwali. Okay. Now mute yourself. Okay. Which festival is celebrated with Dashera? Who will tell me which festival? One more festival is celebrated with Dashera. Who will tell me that? Which festival is celebrated with Dashera? Okay, Anika Verma, unmute yourself, Anika. Which festival is celebrated with Dashera?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, which festival is celebrated with Dashera? With Dashera, one more festival is celebrated, na?
Vijayadashmi.
Vijayadashmi is the other name for Dashera. I said one more festival is celebrated with Dashera.
Vegetarian festival.
No. Do you know the correct answer? Okay, let us speak in English. Okay, Avni, unmute yourself. Which festival is celebrated with Dashera? One more festival we celebrate with Dashera, na Avni? Tell me that name.
Durga Puja.
Durga Puja, very good. And where it is celebrated?
Dashera.
Nahi, where? Kahan pe? In which state it is celebrated?
West Bengal.
Yes, West Bengal. Got it now? Okay, mute yourself. Okay. Acha, which god and goddess prayer is done on Diwali? Can you tell me the name of the god and goddess which we do in Diwali? Which god and goddess prayer is performed in Diwali? Manya Agarwal. Manya Agarwal, unmute yourself. Manya Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Manya, we offer puja to two gods. I want the name of that two gods, which we do in Diwali. To whom we wish. On Diwali, we wish two gods, na? Which are, can you tell me the name of that god and goddesses? In Diwali, we do the puja of whose god? Which two gods?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Manya. Yes, Manya, do you know the answer of this? Manya, do you know the answer of this?
no, ma'am.
We perform puja of two gods, that is Lord Ganesha and goddess Lakshmi. Of two gods, which it is Lord Ganesha and goddess Lakshmi. Can you repeat the answer? Yes, can you repeat the answer? Okay, Paridhi, tell me. Okay, children, tomorrow we are running out of time. So, beta, I have seen that many of you have not studied the chapter properly. Okay. So, tomorrow I will be taking the revision test of chapter 4. I want to see whether you have prepared. So, all of you prepare. I will ask each and everyone. Chapter 4, that is my family. Okay, then only I will go for other chapter, because I've seen that many of you have not prepared the chapter. So all of you prepare the chapter 4 tomorrow. Okay now? So, okay, we are ending with this class. We'll meet tomorrow.